Let's talk about insurance in respect to real estate. And before you buy real estate, you should also bring into your calculation that you need some type of insurance. Often the bank even requires this kind of insurance. So let's talk about everything and what you should consider. First, occupational disability insurance. I've already talked in another video about occupational disability insurance, but let's briefly cover this here. If you need the full household income to cover your EMI, so your mortgage payments, then you should definitely protect your income. If you say one income is sufficient to cover the mortgage payments, but I need another income from my partner to cover all the other costs or to invest some money or save some money, then you should also carefully consider occupational disability insurance. There are even many banks which give you a discount of your loan if you have occupational disability insurance in place. So it might be that it's not even a financial burden from your side if you do it correctly and you have occupational disability insurance before you apply for a loan. Because in the end, the interest rate is just a number to calculate your potential risk that you're unable to repay the loan. If you don't have occupational disability insurance in place, your risk is higher because the bank will ask itself the question, okay, who is going to repay the loan when you're occupation disabled and you don't have any income anymore or really low income from the government? So this is something you should definitely consider. Second point, life insurance. Also here, many banks say, yeah, in your case, if you don't have any life insurance, this is too hot for us because if you pass away, your partner doesn't have this high income, so this would cause issues. We would like to have life insurance in place. But also be careful, don't just take a life insurance from the bank, do it in a smart way. Because if you have life insurance, you can connect the insured sum, so let's say 500,000, you can connect the insured sum to your mortgage, 500,000. But let's do it like this here. So what happens, let's say easy example, after 1 year, the mortgage is only 490,000 because you have to pay especially interest in the beginning. And your life insurance also becomes only 490,000 euros. So the mortgage reduces and also your life insurance reduces simultaneously. This will lead to a significantly cheaper premium for the life insurance in comparison if you just take 500,000 flat. So please keep that in mind. Third point, house insurance. There is also something which is important to mention. If you don't buy a new built house and someone is selling you this house, then the former owner typically had a life insurance in place. Now, if you move into the apartment, or let's rephrase it, if you are the official owner of the house or the apartment, you have 1 month time or 1 month notice to change the house insurance. Why is that now really important? Because typically in Germany, if someone is selling a house, often these are old people, which means that they have insurance and they applied for the insurance 20-25 years ago. So either it's way too expensive or many benefits are not included because it was not normal that these kind of benefits were included 20-25 years ago. So if you buy something and you are, it's not a new built house, please tell the former owner that he should or she should send you the current insurance policy for the house insurance, so you know what is the premium and you have enough time to make a decision in this month to change your house insurance. Other scenario, it's a new built house. Obviously there was no former owner, so no house insurance. Please, not just when the house is built, take the house insurance. You can also insure the house up front. Because if you have any fire damage, or you have any water damage, or any storm damage, and the house has any damage out of this, you have to pay out of your own pocket fully. It's not from the constructing company typically, so you have to insure your house already in the building phase. Okay? Because let's say the house is partially built, so the value of this house is 100,000 euros. Now you have any fire damage, then you have to pay 50,000 euros to rebuild the house. Yeah, have fun paying 50,000 euros out of your own pocket. Or even taking another loan from the bank of 50,000 euros. Now you see how crucial it is to take house insurance already in the building phase, because you never know. Okay? If you move into a new built house and it was already built, then if you are the official owner, please immediately take care of a house insurance, so you don't wake up at a certain point and you have lost a lot of money. Okay? So these 3 insurances, please keep them in mind, that you take care of that, not when you already bought the house, when the financing part is clear and you have feedback from the former owner, then you should talk with a specialist about these topics to be on the safe side. Last point, some banks are saying, how does your pension situation look like? Especially if you are older, which means if you are, let's say, 44 or 40 and the mortgage is going up to 70 years old in the calculation, let's say, then they say, okay, how is your pension situation solved? That's also important, that real estate is planned properly, because otherwise they might say you have a higher mortgage rate, or you have to apply for a new pension plan if you don't have enough income in your retirement. That shouldn't be a problem anyway if you correct your financial situation properly, because then you should have something in hand for your retirement, maybe other real estate investments or any tax optimized investment plan. Then this is fine, you can just show it in easy. But this is also something, the pension situation might even be important for a real estate purchase. Okay? So now if you would like to have help to prepare your insurance situation when buying real estate, or if you would like to have help with the financing part of a real estate purchase, or even finding a house for you that fits your need, then you can visit our website proper-api.de, reach out for a free initial consultation, and we will structure a smart financial strategy for you. Talk to you soon.